Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like this, and this brings up a bunch of toggles. Now you're looking for the power saving mode, and if you're looking at this thinking, well, I can see the names, I can locate it by just looking for the battery that looks like this with a plus inside of it, or at the bottom you can see we have an edit button, and when you click on it, it actually gives you the names, but for some reason only when you're editing it. So anyway, once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it and it will enable. Now we can also check how it's set. So if we hold this toggle, it will take us to the settings for the battery saver, and it looks like with it being set like this, so we have don't wake screen for notification, so that's one of the things that you will encounter. Turn off always on display, turn off when charging, so if the device gets charged above 50% from below that percentage, it will automatically turn off power saving mode. And then we have schedule time to switch between modes, so you can actually select it on a schedule, as well as having the ultra battery saver option at the bottom. Now this one will be disabled because it is a bit more excessive in terms of how it preserves battery, so let me just quickly turn it off and showcase that. If I toggle it on and then toggle back on the power saving, that didn't really seem to do anything. Did I turn it on? Oh, whoa. Wait, what? I'm confused. Wasn't there the option for it? Oh no, there wasn't one. Okay, so I was just reading the gray text ultra battery saver, but it only gives us the option to turn it off when charged, but for some reason it's not turning on. Let's see if we go back to settings and actually select the battery, maybe we'll have the option right there. So advanced maybe? Nope. Oh, there we go. There we go, I found it. So as you can see, it's a little bit more hidden. So right here we have the ultra battery saver. So that's how we can enable that mode. And okay. And no, we don't need location. Give it a moment. It is basically making your device almost unusable. And you can see there it is. That's the ultra power saver mode being enabled. It tells us that the device will now last 90 hours and 41 minutes. We also have only a couple applications visible right here. Brightness reduced, wallpaper removed, and yeah, it's just designed to preserve as much battery as it possibly can. So we're going to close that, and this will obviously go back to the normal mode. So that's how you can enable the ultra power saving mode if you ever need that, but typically you will be interested in this one, which is just a normal one, and it does a couple things in the background which weren't actually mentioned as well. So it will, for instance, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. Now this is a Chinese phone, so it is going to do this a little bit more extensively, as far as I know. So for some reason, China phone tends to try to preserve battery a bit more, in a bit more kind of like harder way, by killing off processes and doing a lot of other things that you never really asked it to do. So I can expect that here Wi-Fi and mobile data will be turned off as long as you don't use your device. And the moment you start to use it, you, for instance, you left it like this and you decided, you know what, I'm going to check what time it is or whatever, I'm going to unlock it, and then you get flooded with notifications. That's usually because of the power saving mode. When you weren't using the device, it turned off your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and the moment you started interacting with it, it re-enabled it and synced everything that was trying to be delivered to you before, but just wasn't because there was no connection. Now calls and SMSs will go normally. You don't lose connection with the actual mobile services. You just use the mobile data. So anyway, that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.